In my last video, I showed you how to stop relying only on Amazon KDP by creating your own bookstore. And so many of you commented website because you wanted a full step-by-step walkthrough of the back end setup. So in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to build your own AI-powered bookstore step-by-step using Hosting Horizons without coding and without starting from scratch. And the best part, well, actually there's two best parts. First, this is like a mini course that I'm teaching for absolutely free. And second, I'm actually giving you access to my actual bookstore template that you can remix, customize, and edit for your own brand. So instead of starting at a blank page trying to figure everything out, you can literally start with my foundation. Plug in your own books, change the color, remove anything you don't want, and launch your bookstore way faster. I mean, you can literally go and have it published by this afternoon if you want to. So today I'm going to keep this simple for you, and I'm going to divide this up into 4 simple steps. So today we're going to create your online bookstore, set up the back end of your store, including your books and pricing, brand your store and your author business, and even show you how to link your store to your Amazon sales page to give people an option to shop with you or to purchase directly on Amazon. And fourth, I'm going to show you how to start getting sales for your online store, no matter what experience you have. I'm going to be sharing my own marketing secrets and strategies that I have used to grow my own online store from nothing to earning thousands of dollars a month. And at the end of the video, I'll be answering all of the questions that you guys asked me in my comment section about how to ship your products to your customer, how to get your books from Amazon, all those things that you all think about that you ask me. I'm going to be including that at the end, so make sure you watch all the way through so you will literally be ready to start selling outside of Amazon KDP today. So step 1, let's build your online store. It has never been easier to start your online store because we're going to be using Hosting Horizons to do it for us. And to make it easier, I've even included all of the information you need to get started down below in the description. Click the link at the top of my description box down below, which is hostinger.com/Latoya. So after you click that link down in my description box below, it's going to bring you to this page. And what I want you to do is scroll down until you come to the template section. I am making this as easy as possible for you. So I'm giving you access to my own template for you to customize. When you come down here to all templates, you'll see the recommended template that I created that says exhale and create. So you're going to click on preview the template. And so this is what the template looks like. You have your home page, then you have your shop collection page. And don't worry if you only have one book, I'll show you what you need to do. You also have your about page so you can tell your story. And then you have your contact page. So I have everything all set up for you. So you're going to click on use template right here. That way you're not having to start from scratch and you're not having to think about a prompt or anything like that. I did the work for you. Next, you're going to go ahead and create your free account. So you're going to go ahead and enter an email address as well as your password, and then go ahead and click on start for free. All right, so now it's going to be duplicating that exact site so that you can go ahead and start customizing it. But just before we get started with the customization piece, you're going to first go ahead and click on the Publish tab so that you can select your plan. Personally, I'm on the starter plan because it gives me room to really build. With this one, you could create up to 25 websites, which means you're not stuck or limited to just one idea. You can monetize it, sell digital or physical products, and actually get paid from what you create. And you even get a free domain for a year. So you can start building from day one. And on top of that, they're running a deal right now where if you go with the 12-month option, you'll get a big discount. And you'll see a spot for a coupon code, which gives you an additional 10% off. Just type in Latoya. And just so you know, they also have a 30-day money-back guarantee. If it's something you don't like, you're not stuck. Now, once you get inside, let me show you how to customize it. So the first thing I want you to do is click on the Edit Content tab. And you see how that allows you to actually make any changes to any of the text. And don't worry if you make a mistake or anything, you can always click on the Undo button. It'll bring you right back to your starting place. It also allows you to click on the image and change the image as well. And to create my hero image and even your flat lay images for your products, you can come to ChatGPT. And for example, for my hero image, I'll leave the prompt in the description of what I used if you want to use the same thing. But I started off with this image and then I asked it to update that specific image by changing the style of the image to chibi style. And then from there, I was like, child, she's a black girl. So then it gave me a little color. So if you wanted to use a similar style image, like I said, I'll leave the prompt in the description for you. Something else I love is that it's mobile friendly, so it works on cell phone as well as desktop. And so any of the text you want changed, you can just go through and change any of the text. If you don't want it to say add to cart, you can change any of that. Say you want to change your brand colors. You can type in AI and say something like, keep the layout exactly like it is, only change the color palette to deep purple and gold. Give the AI a few minutes to start working on the code behind the scenes, and these are your changes. See how simple that is? I'll show you how to change the featured book and the collection section in step 2. Step number 2 of how to start relying on Amazon KDP and own your own bookstore. I'm going to help you set up your store's back end so you can make that money and collect that cash when you start making those book sales. It literally gives you the exact steps to follow, so we're going to do exactly what it says. So we're going to click where it says My Store, and then so the first thing we're going to do is add our products. So this is where you're going to add your books. As you see, you can add subscriptions, you can have physical products, multiple physical products, digital products, services, like if you offer consultations or anything, and even collect donations, y'all. So of course, we're going to be adding a physical product because if you're anything like me, you mostly sell coloring books. So once you click on add a physical product, it gives you 2 selections. You can upload images and generate product details with AI, or you can just upload images. So let's go ahead and upload images and generate product details with AI. And so I'm uploading my coloring book called 24 Shades of Business. Okay, so it already knew the title of the coloring book, maybe because that's how I had it saved, possibly. And it already had the subtitle, and it already comes with a description. So if you want to keep that, you can just rock with that, or you can make any changes that you want to it. Bada boom, bada bing. All right, so now we head on down to pricing. For me personally, my coloring books are always between $9.95 and $10.95. So let's say I want to keep it at $10.95, and then I would click on track quantity here so that I could keep up with it, so that I'm not allowing someone to purchase something that's not actually in stock. And then I'll just put the quantity here. So let's say I have 20. I don't have any variants or anything like that. For example, if I had a variant of hardcover, then I would add that option here so that they could choose between paperback or hardcover when they are checking out. We'll go ahead and save that product. I'm going to go ahead and delete all of these. These are just placeholders that they give us. And then I'm going to go ahead and add a few more of my book. AI just makes things so super simple. Like I said, it literally is walking us step by step. And y'all, literally, you can use ChatGPT as an assistant throughout this whole process. So for my flat lays that I did for my product image, all I did was ask ChatGPT, can you create me a similar style image? I had already did a flat lay like years ago. And I basically just said, ChatGPT, can you do that for my other book? And so I said, can you create a similar style flat lay image? Flat lay like image 1 for my other book, Exhale, image 2, and then I uploaded both images for it to use as a reference, and then that's what it created. And now I'm basically just doing that again so that it can also do it for my Exhale Again coloring book. It starts generating the image. It generated that for me. This stuff does not have to be complicated. You just literally ask AI for exactly what you want it to do. The same exact thing works using Horizons. If you see an image, let's say when Horizons uploads your image, if it's cut off, you can literally say, can you adjust this image to fit it? Like you see how I had these images originally and the top part is cut off? I'm going to say, make sure image 1 and image 2 in the featured collection fits in the frame. It says, I need to see the current state of the featured collection. Can you take an image for me? So I'm just going to screenshot it and upload. So now you can see how it adjusted it so that both fit. So that you can either use this style, which is just the front cover of your book, or you can do a flat lay. But you have options, guys. You have options. You can make it exactly like you want it to look. And so here's an example of what it looks like once we added the product. So now that we've added products, the next step is the store setup. So now we're going to click on update company information. This is where you're going to add your company name, and then you can even add your company logo here. Then go ahead and enter all of your contact information here. Save that. All right, now we're going to review the shipping, which is step number 3. So when you get that order and you hear that cha-ching sale, sale, right? It's time to go ahead and create your shipping labels so that you could go ahead and get their package out to them. So you can read more here, but I'm going to go through this for you because I just want to show you how to create shipping zones to make it super easy for you. So we're going to go here to create our first shipping zone. For me, I usually do standard shipping, and then you will enter your country, United States, and then click on save. For shipping options, we're doing standard shipping. And then for shipping rate, I used $5.50 on mine, but you could check with your local post office and see what standard shipping rate you should use, so that you're not, losing money when you're shipping. And so then once you add your shipping rate, you can go ahead and click add, and so they will see that information there. Now, I just did regular free just in case you had a free option so you can see how it's set up. And so that's how you add your shipping. Of course, if you mess up on anything, you can delete it, or if you don't want it, you can delete it. All right, and so the fourth step, once you put in your shipping information, it automatically brings you to setting up how you'll get paid. So you could connect Stripe by clicking here, or you can also come to settings and then payment, and you can also connect PayPal as well. And so you would just walk through that. You can also do test payments so that you can make sure everything works correctly before actually going live. So like I said, it literally walks you through the back end. So there's nothing to be afraid of. So we're already on to step number 3 of how to start relying on Amazon KDP and build your own online store, which is branding your store. You want to set up your author website for long-term success, which means that even if you're only on book number 1 right now, as you publish more and more books, you're going to continue building your online bookstore. One thing that I always suggest is that if you're an author, keep the sections of your store organized. So if you sell coloring books, make a coloring book section. If you sell journals, have it in a journal section. Another important thing is your domain name. Now, Horizon does give you a domain name when you create your site. It's just a generic name that looks like this and is not branded. So when you sign up for the 12-month starter plan that I suggested, you also get a free domain included with that, so you can pick your business name, which I'll show you how to do in a second, because you want your online store to be official with a proper domain name so you could create your own custom domain. For example, I have entrepreneurscolor2.com, LatoyaNicoleOfficial.com, I am LatoyaNicole.com, subscribe to Jesus.com, which, by the way, is my other YouTube channel. So make sure after you finish watching this video, you go over there and subscribe there too, because y'all already know we get to the book bag and to the Bible. So you'll just go over here by the publish button and you'll see a drop down, and you can connect your domain here. And one more thing I wanted to show you, when you get ready to add your link to Amazon, you would just come to your book that you want to add and copy that link, because on your template there is a shop on Amazon section, so that your customer has options. They can shop directly with you and your website where you ship the book to them, or they can shop directly on Amazon where Amazon will ship the book. So now I'm just showing you how to link your book if you decide to give them the option to allow them to purchase directly from Amazon. So I'm just telling AI to update the shop on Amazon button, and I'm inserting the link so that it can update the button. Now, if you don't want them to have the option to shop on Amazon, you can ask the AI to remove that section. And so this is an example of what your store could look like once you customize it. This looks awesome. And then this is where it links directly to your Amazon book. Step 4 of how to start relying only on Amazon KDP and build your online bookstore. Let's get some sales for your online store. So first option that most people tell you is to buy ads. The second option that I've used to grow my 6-figure business is organic marketing. And my recommendation for you is for you to 100% learn about organic marketing. Because even if you buy ads, you still need the ad, you still need the actual video and content to use for the ad. So it's the same amount of work, it's just a different strategy. Except with the ads, you also need a budget to test to see what works. And if you don't know what you're doing, you can lose a lot of money quickly. I'm trying to help y'all save some money. But I personally wouldn't listen to anyone who tells you to spend thousands of dollars on ads as a beginner. Marketing is actually one of the most critical parts of your journey. And this is actually where some people stop and quit. So what is organic marketing? It's basically when you get free traffic and sales through social media. And before you be like, oh my God, Toya, I don't have no followers on social media, girl. You can start with 0 followers, because here's the secret. I didn't have no followers when I first started either. So social media gives you a chance to get views, and you just have to put out the right type of content that'll end up getting pushed out and actually performing well for your business, which will then grow your business organically, build an entire community around your business so that it lasts and you don't have to spend a penny on advertisements unless you want to. This is a skill you can learn just like any other skill. I actually created a video of how to create social media content using video marketing, and I'll link it in the description. Also, if you need one-on-one coaching where I can personally walk you through creating content and helping you set up your social media accounts, I'll leave that link in the description as well. So in order for you to truly master organic marketing with me by your side, make sure you click on the link in my description to set up your one-on-one before either all the spots are filled or before I change your mind. And not only do your strategies have to be on point, but your mindset has to be on point, because I don't want you getting frustrated if things don't always go as quick as you want them to go when you're marketing, because the whole process is a learning process. Growing any online business from scratch takes patience, but it's never been an easier time to actually start. Remember when I first published my coloring book, the first month I made a few $100s in sales. That literally came from me posting on Facebook to my family and friends, and me sharing the book in Facebook groups that allowed me to market. And as I continued to try different marketing strategies and continue going, my second and third month, the sales started growing with organic traffic. And then I eventually had my first $1,000 month, my first $2,000 month, and so on and so on. I do want to go over some common questions and answers for you all that a lot of you ask me in my comment section. So I'm going to share what I have personally done. So someone asked, wouldn't you still be relying on Amazon KDP if your account got shut down, like I mentioned in my last video, because you would no longer be able to order books from them? The answer to that question is you are absolutely correct. And this is exactly why in my marketing program and on my one-on-one calls, I teach you multiple ways to publish. So for example, I have my books listed on Amazon KDP as well as Ingram Spark, because Amazon KDP is only one part of the equation, not your full business. You may want to also publish your coloring books on Ingram Spark. I'll link the free video showing you how step by step. Another question I got is, isn't your coloring book website still on Shopify? Why, yes it is. So I didn't find out about Horizons until years later. I'd already built that Shopify store. So the goal is not to leave Shopify or whatever platform you already have. The goal is to make it easier for beginners to actually start building their website, because AI takes away the overwhelm and makes the process so much easier for you. So instead of switching my Entrepreneur's Color 2 website from Shopify, what I did was started building some of my other businesses using Horizons, because like I said in the starter plan, you get all of those extra websites included in that plan. Another question I got was, how does the customer get the book? So let me show you the process really quickly by going to Amazon, and we're going to click on author copies. And so once you click on order author copies, it'll bring you to this page. So you can already order your books in bulk, because when you order author copies, Amazon gives you a discounted rate. You can have those books shipped to your home address so that you already have them in stock at your house. You can just do regular packaging that doesn't have your custom brand name on it. You can use Amazon. I'll link a couple of packages on Amazon that are big enough for coloring books. But I do custom packaging. You can look up sites like AliExpress or Alibaba to manufacture wholesale products. I print my shipping label out using this label range. But the most important thing is just getting started and not letting all of your questions hold you back. Learn all along the way. So hopefully now you can see this is not as complicated as creating websites used to be. Like I said earlier, it took me weeks to learn how to build my first website. Now you can literally build a professional bookstore in less than a day. Like, come on. So if you've ever been thinking about creating your own website, this is the time to do it. AI helps build the foundation. The template gives you a starting point. And then all you really need to do is customize your store, upload your book, connect your back end, which you follow in the directions, and make it your own. And hosting your Horizons makes this so simple, which is one of the reasons I wanted to show you guys this, because I know the tech side stops a lot of people from ever starting. You do not need to know coding. You do not need to hire a developer, and you do not even need to start from scratch anymore. You can literally use AI to help build your bookstore. Whether you're creating coloring books, journals, devotionals, children's books, planners, ebooks, or a full author brand, you now have options beyond only relying on Amazon KDP. And honestly, that's the real goal. Ownership, your audience, your storefront, your brand. If you're ready to build your bookstore, check out the link below to get started with hosting your Horizon. And if y'all want another video of showing how to drive even more traffic to your bookstore, comment part 3 below. All right, y'all. So if this video was helpful, make sure you like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more content just like this. If you have any other questions about anything else I've talked about in the video, feel free to leave a comment, because I do answer and read through a lot of my comments on here. Until next time, bye-bye.